The ad hoc committee investigating allegations of criminal infiltration, political interference and corruption within the justice system has received an update on efforts to secure the appearance of Brown Mokgotsi.
Now, the committee is meeting virtually, discussing the expected appearance of witnesses, including former IPID head Robert McBride and private investigator Paul O'Sullivan.
Now, briefing MPs, the committee's evidence leader, Advocate Norman Arendse, outlined the challenges facing the inquiry, revealing that Mokgotsi has raised concerns about his legal representation and personal security.
Arendse says these issues have prompted them to agree to an initial virtual consultation while discussions continue around a possible in-person appearance before Parliament.
Brown Mokgotsi, who we have now scheduled to consult with on Wednesday after earlier also he raised issues both about not having legal representation and also some security concerns. So we have agreed to consult with him virtually on Wednesday, and he will discuss further his in-person attendance with Vonani, who will no doubt communicate with you, Honourable Chair, about an in-person appearance and to make sure that he's comfortable.